Hello, everybody. This is Kimchi Crypto. Today, I'm going to talk about $1.5 trillion asset management fund revealed next crypto. It's not Ethereum, by the way. Let me mention this crypto in the later part of this video. Its AUM, assets under management, is over $1.5 trillion. Its revenue is $8.4 billion. It's a not small company, huge company. It was ranked top 20 asset manager in the world in terms of AUM. For sure, the number one asset manager in the world is BlackRock. Second, Vanguard, Fidelity, State Street, Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, blah, blah, blah. There comes Franklin Templeton in the 20th rank. Its AUM is 1.4, $1.5 trillion. It was founded in 1947 in New York, but it was moved and it's now in California in the US. It was founded by Rupert Johnson, and this company sells and operates hundreds of mutual funds in the world. Just like BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, it's a very conservative financial institution, and its CEO currently there is Jenny Johnson, and who is the founder's daughter right now. As I mentioned, BlackRock, Franklin Templeton, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, State Street, all these, Wall Street giants, they are very conservative. And generally speaking, finance is very slow to innovate. That was why it took some very long time for them to, type crypto, because that was so um, even illusional. It was so disrupting. So now, currently, they all accept crypto. Even Vanguard, Merrill Lynch, they already mentioned that they are not going to sell Bitcoin spot ETFs. But do you know they are currently investing? I mean, in the past, they've been investing in crypto companies such as MicroStrategy, Coinbase, and Bitcoin mining companies. They're even though they mentioned several times that they do not sell Bitcoin spot ETF, they invest into multiple crypto companies. When you go to their Twitter account, now X account, you can easily find out the Benjamin Franklin's razor eye, which means they are, they goes all in into the crypto assets right now. A penny saved is a Satoshi earned, and they do not charge you any fees, zero fees until August of this year, which means huge competition is going on among the Wall Street boys now. 11 Bitcoin ETF issuers, they all lowered their fees. And in order to sell custody crypto products, altcoin spot ETFs, they're waiting and they will be applying for those if the Ethereum spot ETF is approved this year. And they're also ready to provide derivatives products such as, leverage products like 2x, minus 2x Bitcoin, the derivatives ETF products. They already applied for it and they're waiting for the approval from the SEC now. Crypto investment is a huge bet on the greed of Wall Street boys. So that's let me just show you the a lot more proof rather than just talking about this. Franklin Templeton mentioned Bitcoin is making headlines. So what does this mean for advisors and investors? They are preparing webinars for asset managers and advisors. For what? In order to educate and sell new products, beginning from the Bitcoin spot ETF, and in order to sell these products to baby boomers, for example. EZBC is the ticker for their Franklin Templeton's Bitcoin Spot ETF, and it was already listed on CBOE now. The woman on the right side, Sandy Cole, is the head of digital assets in the Franklin Templeton. She mentioned more crypto filings to come, which means we are to offer different opportunities such as Ethereum. They are preparing for other altcoin spot ETFs, not only the Bitcoin. Franklin Templeton focuses on crypto, hugely. But interesting thing is they haven't applied for Ethereum spot ETF yet. There are currently 7 Ethereum spot applicants, such as Fnac, ARC21 Shares, Hashtags, Grayscale, Invesco, BlackRock Fidelity. There's no Franklin Templeton on the list. Like Bitcoin ETF, they are to follow big boys in the very last minute. They will be joining this race for the Ethereum spot ETF. Speculation over potential Ethereum ETF approval in May sends Ether price surging, but now it's kind of in the correction phase. I think Ethereum ETF will be approved no matter what this year. And the next crypto could be Solana ETF, a possibility. If the SEC decides to approve spot Ethereum ETFs, other large cap cryptocurrencies such as Solana may be next. Now, crypto analysts are forecasting next crypto could be Solana. Although Solana is a comparatively young ecosystem compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum, its noteworthy performance in 2023, marked by positive news and increased developer activity, has captured investor attention. Sure. In another news article, 3 reasons why Solana price could approach $200 by March. Franklin Templeton, a trillion-dollar asset management firm, fueled the Solana ETF buzz further after praising the blockchain for its advancements in decentralized finance, infrastructure, non-fungible token innovation, and meme coins. Franklin Templeton literally praised Solana and fueled ETF buzz. We can check this out in their Twitter accounts as well. They mentioned we are seeing Jan Atuli, CEO of Solana's vision of a single atomic state machine as a powerful use cases in decentralized infrastructure, DeFi, meme coins, NFT, and FireDancer. FireDancer is kind of a huge upgrade in software with 1+ million TPS. It's insanely fast, and the one of those weak points of Solana is shut down. So they are going to add more validators for the security of that blockchain. That is called FireDancer, and it's now in test mode now, but it will be implemented later this year. As mentioned, we will continue to evolve our product range, says Sandy Cole. And they even created Franklin Templeton Digital Assets Twitter accounts. It's a kind of meme. And they also mentioned, for the last 40, 50 years, it was the investment portfolio was like stock 60% and bond, especially in US Treasuries, 40%. This was the just portfolio which has been very effective and very with great performances in the past. And they are arguing that in addition to this, you'd better add Bitcoin to this portfolio. Also, they mentioned private blockchains are a rehypothecation of the intermediary. They value public blockchains over private ones. They know something, that they people can't ignore public blockchains. They also mentioned in crypto speculation is a feature, not a bug. Ordinals and layer 2 solutions on Bitcoin shouldn't be ignored. These are vital to solving Bitcoin's economic security problem and increasing Bitcoin's utility as a SRV. I was very impressed because they worked very hard on crypto analysis, and they are very ready to um, make several multiple businesses. They are ready to sell multiple products. They are ready to go just all in crypto. The important question could be which crypto do they focus on now? Before that, well, crypto is improving how we interact with each other financially, just as the internet did with information. We intend to participate and lead the development of this future through investing and building. They said they have a Bitcoin ETF, crypto investment team, and they validate blockchains for tokenized real world assets. That's what they mentioned. And they believe as blockchains improve in fees and performance, the potential use cases that are unlocked grow exponentially. And the important part comes here. Other layer ones outside of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana have massive potential. Which crypto are they talking about? Layer one other than Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. I just pulled all those crypto um, projects in the top 30. It was just focus on those red circled projects. It was Solana, it was Ethereum, Cardano, Avalanche, Tron, Toncoin, and Cosmos, Aptos, and Near. One of these could be their focus. So among top 30 cryptos, layer 1 crypto, ETH, Binance Chain, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, Tron, Ton, Cosmos, Aptos, Near. But Binance Chain and Tron, they are kind of Chinese projects, so the US, those Wall Street guys might not be interested in. It could be then Ethereum, Solana, and the next could be, I suppose, Avalanche, because JP Morgan already chose Avalanche to explore a new paradigm for portfolio management and asset management with tokenization on Avalanche blockchain. They're already testing this for their future businesses. Avalanche investors Andreessen Horowitz, Galaxy Digital, BitMine, Polychain, Dragonfly Capital, and other huge very famous investors. And ever since its ICO, its price just went like crazy exponentially. Its ROI is like 30,000% almost huge. If you think the price of Avalanche increased so exponentially already, there could be alternative protocol such as Near protocol. It's my personal opinion. You'd better check this out and do your own research. But its backers are also very famous: A16Z, Electric Capital, Pantera, Coinbase Ventures, Baidu Ventures, Arrington Capital, Multicoin Capital. And the price ever since its ICO, yes, it increased a lot by 6x now. But compared to the price of Solana or Avalanche or even Cardano, I think it's undervalued right now. If the price of Solana Avalanche is too much expensive, Near Protocol could be your next pick for the institutions. Anyway, if 1% of $1.5 trillion of Franklin Templeton is invested into crypto land, $15 billion could enter the market. What if all those Wall Street guys enter the market in a year or two? What if it's all proven already? It's a confirmed future. that Bitcoin halving is going to take place in a couple of months. 70 plus countries, 4 billion people are going to vote to select their presidents and congressmen, which means a huge liquidity comes to the market. Fed is going to cut its interest rate this year, hopefully in March, could be May or June, uh, which uh, which will lead to another money printing in the second half of this year. And Hong Kong is very ready to approve its first Bitcoin spot ETF. Not only US, China, Japan, South Korea, Southeast Asian countries, India, Russia, Europe, South America, Middle America. For sure, India is going to currently it's very like in a banned crypto mode now, but they're going to transition. They're going to change their the crypto rule from banned crypto to more free crypto. In I don't know the exact timeline, but it's going to be changed. Every single country is rushing into crypto for various reasons. There could be a lot more jobs coming. There could be a lot more taxations, and there could be you know the crypto is good for the country, good for those enterprises, and it provides a lot of benefits to the investors and users. So what you need to do right now is you don't need to be afraid of market corrections, but you should be afraid of not having enough crypto in your wallet. Buy the dip, hold without panic sell will make you rich in the end. Thank you for listening. I'll be coming back.